they will leave the website immediately because this is not they were looking for. Hello local business owners, if you are running Google Ads for your business, you need to watch this video right now because a small mistake might be burning your cash every single day. Today I will share something very important for every local business. So let's try. Look at this. I am searching on Google for an emergency AC repair Dallas. Now look carefully at this ad. This ad is for an electrical company, not an AC repair company. This is a big problem in Google Ads and many business owners don't even know it's happening. Let me explain. When someone searches for emergency AC repair, they have a problem right now. Maybe their AC stop working, maybe it's very hot inside their house, maybe they need help urgent. So they click on ad expecting AC repair service. But after clicking, they see an electrical company website. Now what will they do? I mean the user too. They will leave the website immediately because this is not they were looking for. In marketing, we call this a bounce. When many people bounce back quickly, Google thinks your website is bad, so Google drops your quality score. And when your quality score is low, your CPC cost per click goes up and start paying double money for the same wrong keywords. The business pays for that click, but they get no phone call, no lead, no customer, just wasted money. Now imagine this happening 10 times a day, 20 times a day, and 50 times a day. Every single week, this business owner keep spending money, but the wrong people are clicking the ads. This is how Google Ads budget wasted. Most of the time this happen because of bad keyword targeting. Maybe the campaign is using broad-based keyword. Maybe there are no negative keyword listing. Maybe nobody is checking the search term report regularly. And because of that, Google starts showing ads for searches that are not good fit. The result, more wasted clicks, more wasted budget, few leads, lower ROI, and Google gets confused. It sends more wrong traffic and the business profit drops. A small mistake can cost hundred or even thousands of dollars. And that exactly why every business owner should regularly check their search term keyword targeting. So if you are running Google Ads for your local business and you are not sure where your budget is going and how can you improve your ad performance and how can you beat your competitors. We know this type of markets are very competitive, and if you want to reduce your CPC, then feel free to send me a message. I will do a free keywords audit as well as improve. I will give you the ad performance improve insight. So thanks for watching.